Ray's fitting a draft excluder around the house outside of one of his windows. To do this, he needs to know the perimeter of the window. The window is in the shape of a semicircle on top of a rectangle, as shown. The diameter of the semicircle is 1.2 meters. Just be careful there. No formula in the log tables to do with this as diameter. And the length of the rectangle is 1.5 meters. Okay, first question. What is the radius of the semicircle? Great. They actually want to help me out there, because any formula I'll use about a circle is going to have radius in it. So it's 1.2 is the full way across. Well, then half the way across is, we need to divide by 2, which gives me 0.6 meters. Find the length of the semicircle. Well, if I go to my calculator and try and use that, I need a formula to fill in. Well, if it was a full circle, it'd be 2 times pi times r. So I'm going to go to my calculator and fill that in. 2 times pi times the radius. 2 times, now if they give me something for pi, I'd fill that in, but they didn't. So I'm going to use the most accurate thing that I have. And I end up with that. And they want me to go to 2 decimal places. Okay, so that's that. If it was a full circle, I need to divide by 2. Now some of you could have done this differently. Now, I really shouldn't have rounded there. So, because they said give your answer to 2 decimal places. So 37699 11184. I need to divide that by 2, because if that's the perimeter of a full circle, then if I divide it by 2, it'll get me a semicircle. Sorry now, so I want to divide that by 2. And I end up with 1.88 meters. Okay, find the perimeter of the window. Give your answer in meters, correct 2 decimal places. So if we're saying that this is 1.88, and so now this is where I pretend this is a field, so I have that there from part 2. I try and make sure, you know, no sheep gets in or gets out of it. You can draw your sheep if you want, whatever. Weird looking sheep, but anyway. And it says the length of the rectangle is 1.5 meters. So if that's 1.5, and we know this is 1.2 from up there, and we know this is another 1.5, then we should be able to work that out and get, so we've 1.88 plus 1.5 plus 1.2 plus 1.5 gives me 6.08 meters. And that's correct 2 decimal places.